I really gotta make this stupid ass recap right now. Excuse the language, but shit's tragic. I took 2 trades, took 2 L's. Let's get into it. No, it was not based on revenge trading. Maybe you think otherwise, but I'll go into why it wasn't revenge trading. I got stopped out, and the trade itself still could play out. It was still valid, you know. I just got stopped out. I didn't get stopped out like at where the trade would have been invalidated, which is probably something to learn. But I was willing to take that risk to have a better RR, better stop. And yeah, let's get into it though. News today at 9 a.m. This is tomorrow. 9 a.m. core PCE, whatever. Unemployment claims this morning. Coming to the day, I was bullish. I've never done this replay thing. Oh yeah, let's do that. Okay, so coming to the day, I was bullish. Why was I bullish? Well, I actually drew it out. Let's put it back. So this is what I wanted to see during market open. I wanted to see. So at this point, see, this is why replay sucks. Like, didn't I already do this? How do I go back? Like, I gotta do it again. Okay. Coming to market open. Market open. This is 9. I wanted to see us come down, take out these lows, and then this is like sort of the model I was marking out. Like, come down, retrace, take these lows out, sweep these lows, come up, retrace, and then I get my entry right here, and then boom, take out these relative equal highs up here and up here. Like, boom, picture perfect, right? But market had other plans. So what was I doing? I was reacting off of price, right? I'm gonna delete that now. Reacting on price, we were just completely dumping. Like, how many points did we dump to? About 150 to 200 points. Well, I'm sure it's 200. 200 points. Why would I want to be bullish? That was like kind of the quote-unquote mistake that I felt like I was doing in the past, trying to catch like these big reversals where market is obviously telling us that we want to be bearish. All right, you want to react to price. So that's what I was doing, and I'm still going to continue doing that because that just like seems logical and it makes sense and it's smart in my opinion. But obviously didn't work out today. I'm not expecting it to work out all the time, just most of the time. But yeah, see, like, if this happened in the past, I would just be looking for a reversal, and today it would have probably played out. You know, wait for 5-minute retracement and then look for 1-minute confirmation. Get my entry around here. It would have played out, and it did play out. There's a reason why I got my payout and stuff, and yeah, got funded, all that. There's a reason. It worked a percentage of the time, but that's why it's kind of hard trying to see how you can get better, because then you think you need to change things, learn more stuff, but you just need to find kind of a balance between that. I hope this video is like, the audio is not messed up or anything, because I should have really did like a test video before I started, but kind of fired up, trying to get this out of the way, trying to keep my emotions in check. But yeah, with that being said, let's just get into the trades. I guess the executions just went away, but you already saw them. So yeah, let's go into the trade. So yeah, I was waiting for news, obviously, because on the alphas you had to wait 2 minutes before and after. But that's just what I do too. I just wait for news. So price was coming down, right? And I ideally wanted to see this 15-minute gap close with this 15-minute candle, which closed at 9 a.m. We didn't get that, but I was still kind of convinced that we were still bearish. I mean, just look at the chart, bro. Closing below, or closing these fair value gaps. And the unfortunate thing about today, we did retrace into this, and now we were reversing, and now we just invalidated this bullet or bearish 15-minute gap, this 15-minute gap, And so it looks like we're flipping bullish. So, I mean, it is what it is. Look at the hourly, dude. Like, in my opinion, would it be smart to try to catch reversal after breaking 1 hour structure and validating this big gap right here? And especially after taking out these highs in the pre-market, you know, that's what I've been trying to learn. But today it just didn't work out, and unfortunately, I took 2 losses. Yeah, let's just get into it. Like I said, but let's actually get into the trade. So first trade was based on right here. I entered right here, of course, just like straight to my stop loss. At my stop loss, I believe, I don't really remember. Where's the executions when you need it, huh? Damn, I'm trying to keep my composure, but shit's annoying, dude. I can't lie. So it's just not here anymore, I guess. Alright, we're 6 minutes in already. Okay, this was the first trade. Let's see where I got stopped out at. 58325, 58325, 58325. See, like I said, not really a good stop loss. But like, I like the setup. The setup, I got, like, look at that displacement candle. To clearly break structure right there, I'm targeting these lows right here. These hourly lows. And that's what I did. Got automatically stopped out in 3 minutes. Bro, trading in school might just be a curse. Like, trading at school might be a curse. I hate it too. Like, on this, it's not even a small laptop. It's a, you know, regular MacBook Air. But like, just compared to what I'm used to at home with my desktop, having 2 screens, I took my trade on the alphas on my phone. It's just like, I do not like it. And then we got stopped out. I'm like, okay, cool. This trade is still valid, unless we, you know, keep going higher, obviously. But look at my thought process, right? I'm seeing this 1 minute gap. Ideally, I probably should have had my stop loss all the way up here, but I'm thinking about the R. Like, look at that. That's just like negative R. So I'm willing to take that risk. But yeah, we get stopped out, and then look what I'm seeing. Like I said, filling this 1 minute gap, filling 5 minute equilibrium even more, and we're getting this displacement candle, invalidating this 1 minute gap. Like, bro, I'm taking that, but literally got stopped out right away. And I had my stop loss right here. Realized it was too much. I risked 3 cons on this one, and then yeah, I had my stop like at the end of the fair value gap, and just literally stopped out in less than 3 minutes. So I literally lost 2K in the less than 5 minutes, or in 5 minutes. It is what it is, man. I don't know. Trading in school has not been my forte. It's not been me, or it's not been my strength. I actually felt good today. I got like a good amount of sleep last night. Came to class, like, I wasn't really paying attention, can't lie, because it was just boring. But I was like awake. I was locked in, ready for today's trading session. And yeah. And it's also, I don't really like how many trade frequency or trade setups I'm getting, especially since they're not like playing out. Like I said in the last video, I just feel like, all right, I guess this video is just gonna go a little over 10 minutes. But my stop loss on the alphas is like right here. I really don't know how. I was risking 4 contracts, and then I was risking 3, so I don't know how it's such a big difference, but it is. Eventually just got stopped out on the alphas for a regular size loss. But like I said, I just feel like I'm on an eval right now. And I don't want to blame January price action, but dude, it's not been the best for me. Like, I just been getting cracked and cooked. I've been getting like just manipulated. That's the word. That's gonna be the title. Manipulation. Like this is just pure manipulation, bro. Like, we break above this high, re-chasing, coming back down, coming back up. Like, I'm just getting manipulated right now. Just straight railed. I'm getting cracked. I'm getting bent over by the Nasdaq. Like, there's nothing else but that. I'm getting railed by the Nasdaq in the market. Mainly Nasdaq. All my losses really coming from Nasdaq. Little over 10 minutes, but I mean that's really it, man. I might have to ban trading on campus because this is rough. Like this is our fourth day in class on these Tuesday, Thursdays. I think I've taken 3 trades on these 3 days. 3 of those 4 days, lost all of them. So I don't know what it is, man. I'm hoping it's just like not favorable conditions and price action for me, but I don't want to blame anything. I want to take full responsibility. Oh yeah, I forgot. The P&L. So I lost like the regular amount on this account or the funded, and then for the live, I basically lost everything I made yesterday. I made like 602 yesterday, and now I lost 589 today. Obviously I could have done better risk managing. Probably should have only like kept it at 500 for a loss. So I mean it could be worse, but yeah, just a rough day for me. I'm just trying to cope right now. These bad days make the good ones better. I don't know. I'm just coping. That's it for me, man. I'm gonna try to get through this day. And yeah, I think I've taken have I taken a trade every day this week? Okay, every day but Monday. Well, we could have even traded Monday. So yeah, every day this week I traded. And 2 of these days are literally school. Like, I'm getting cooked. All right, that's it for me. God bless, always.